Good morning, class 2 students. How are you all? It's your science class. As you know that we have done unit number 2. Complete means the kinds of animals. We have done the land animals, air animals, and the land and water means both animals, water animals as well, and their young ones. Okay. At the end of the page, on page number 16, you can see over here, mark the names of animals which live on land with red color. I have just put a mark with pencil, but you have to write or you have to mark with red color pencil. Okay, the names of animals which live on land. First one is rabbit, goldfish, dog, jellyfish, cat, sheep, shark, and goat. And you know that the land animals, is it goldfish a land animal? Rabbit is a land animal. So mark a rabbit with your red color. Clear? Goldfish is not a land animal, it's a water animal. Dog, land animal. Jellyfish, water animal. Cat, land animal. Sheep, land animal. Shark, water animal. And goat, land animal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are on land animal. They live on land. Clear? Okay. There is a concept map about a full chapter which we have done. Firstly, we have read about there is a map. Animals means the topic or the chapter is about the animals or the kinds of animals. Some live on land, some live in water, some spend most of their time in air, and some live both on land and in water. We have done all these, means some live on land, water. In land animal we have written or we have read about rabbit, dog, cat, sheep, goat. These are all the land animal. And some live in water animal, as you know that we have done or we have read about land water animal. Those are dolphin, shark, starfish, jellyfish, or seahorse, octopus. These are all the water animal. Okay, some spend most of their time in air, means birds. Some live both on land and in water, as we have read about frog, salamander, and crocodile. These are 3 animals which we have read about. You can see over here frog, salamander, crocodile, land and water animals. Means they live both on land and in water. Okay. After that, all the animals have young ones. All animals, whether they live on land, whether they live in water, or they live both on water or land. After that, after the 4 kinds of animals, they have their young ones. Some young ones look like their parents, and some young ones don't look like their parents. This is the crux of the chapter, unit number 2. This is the crux of your full chapter, means the concept map, means everything we have read about in this chapter. 4 kinds, and they have their young ones. What are the types of young ones? Some look like their parents, just like horse or dog or cat. They look like their parents, but some young ones don't look like their parents. For example, butterflies, caterpillar is the young ones of butterfly. It doesn't look Okay, on the page number 17 of unit number 2, exercise, choose the correct answer. Now we are going to do this. Number 1, which one of the following groups of animals lives on land? Means three groups of animal are over here, means A, B, C, D. So you should put a tick over there with which is the correct one. For example, the first one is cat, dog and parrot. Is it a correct group? Means cat is a land animal, dog is a land animal, but parrot is not a land animal, it's an air animal. Okay. On B, dog, land animal, lion, land animal, cat, land animal. So these three are the land animals. So the group of three are the land animals. So this is the correct answer. So put a tick over here. So if we talk about the C option, so crow, cow, seahorse. The three categories are of the three living place. For example, crow, air animal, cow, land animal, and seahorse is water animal. In the same way, fish, water animal, shark, or water animal, dolphin, water animal. But we here is to be discussed the group of living that is on land animal. Clear? So B is a correct option. Number 2, where does a dolphin live? Dolphin is what? Fish. Dolphin is a fish. So it's understood thing that fish lives in water. On land, in water, in air, both on land and in water. No? So the correct option is B. Okay. Number 3, which one of the following animals can fly? Cat can fly. Dog can fly. No. Parrot and horse cannot fly, but parrot can fly. So this is the correct option. Number 4, which one of the following animals lives both on land and in water? Crocodile, camel only lives on land. Elephant only lives on land, and in the same way horse only lives on land. So crocodile is only the animal that lives both on land and in water. Clear? So correct option is A. Okay. Which one of the following does not resemble its parent? Kitten is the young one of cat, so it resembles to the cat. Puppy is a younger one of dog, it resembles to the dog. Foal is a younger one of horse, and it also resembles to their parents. But only the tadpole is the younger ones of frog. So tadpole is the correct option because it doesn't resemble its parents. Clear? Okay, on page number 17, there are 4 questions over here. So we are going to discuss one by one these questions of unit number 2. The first question is, name 2 animals which live on land. Now means after reading a complete or after complete understanding of the full unit, I think it will be very clear to you, so you will able to write the correct answer over here. For example, name 2 animals which live on land. So you should write the question as well as answer on your copy for your better understanding. Unit number 2, kinds of animals. Write down over here like this. Okay, part 2. The question number 1 is, the question number 1 is, name 2 animals which live on land. The answer is cat, dog. Clear? The answer is cat, dog. Okay. Question number 2 is, write down now question number 2. Name 2 animals which live in water. Name two animals which live in water. And we have read about a lot of animals which live in water, so you just write down two of them. For example, number 2 answer is starfish, shark. Starfish, shark. Clear? Okay. Question number 3 is name two animals which live both on land and in water. Okay. Frog, crocodile, and we have read about the third one. That is very interesting name. Which one? Salamander. You can write only two, means write down just two, because the question is just name two animals, so you should write only two, frog and crocodile. And if you want to write the salamander, so frog and salamander, or crocodile or salamander, it's up to you. Clear? Okay, what are mammals? Okay, we have read about the mammals over here. Animals that give birth to their younger ones are called mammals. Clear? Write down the answer of question number 4. Animals that give birth to their young ones are called mammals. Clear? This is the correct answer of question number 4. Write down these question answer on your copy. Unit number 2, mention unit number 2, name of the unit, kinds of animals, and write down question number 1. After that, the answer of question number 1, cat and dog. Question number 2 answer, starfish, shark, two animals of water, and two animals that live both on water and on land or in water. That is frog, crocodile, and what are mammals is the last one, or the fourth question on page number 17. Animals that give birth to their younger ones are called mammals. Clear? Write down these questions plus answers neatly on your neat copy.